Greetings, ChatGPT enthusiasts. Welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to manipulate your images in ChatGPT. I'm using the ChatGPT 4. In this example, I told ChatGPT to create an image of a dog playing with a dinosaur. Here it is. And let's click on it. And to manipulate this image, click on this magic paintbrush icon thing right here. And then just select whatever you want, highlight anything you want to change. So I'm gonna just highlight this dog, and then here type in a prompt. So I already wrote a prompt right here. Change the dog into a bulldog, and then let's click here to enter. And here you can see change the dog into a bulldog, and here's the output. So the dog now is a bulldog playing with the dinosaur, and you can highlight other things. You can add things to your images, change things. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and that's how easy it is to make changes to your images in ChatGPT. Thanks so much for viewing. I hope this helps. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and have a nice day.